Want to impress your clients and keep them updated 24/7? GoHighLevel lets you build client-facing portals that showcase results and streamline communication. Here's how to set up one. Inside GoHighLevel, head to the Membership tab. Build a portal where your clients can log in securely. This acts as their hub for tracking progress and accessing resources. Now add key metrics and reports. Embed analytics, funnel performance, or campaign report directly into the portal. This gives clients real-time visibility into the results you're generating. And then use the portal to store contracts, onboarding guides, or even training videos. Clients love having everything in one place instead of endless email threads. Next, customize your branding. Apply your client's branding or your agency logo and colors. A white label portal feels professional and strengthens your client's relationship. Finally, set up automation so new clients get instant portal access after signing and send notifications when new reports or resources are added. That's how you build client-facing portals in GoHighLevel. Professional and automated. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.